Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update WinRAR 7.23. To update to WinRAR 7.23, you do not need to uninstall a current version. You can download the latest installer from the official WinRAR website over here, wins.rar.com. So over here, you can select this WinRAR 7.23. You can select your version. And here, once you click that, it will automatically gets downloaded in the top right here. So over here, you can simply locate this file shown in the folder, select this icon. And from here, once you get into this interface for the WinRAR file, simply right click onto this. And from here, you can go to this property on the bottom. So over here under this property, you can find this general, you can go to this details. Under this detail, you can find this file version 7.23. And if you already own a WinRAR license, the installer should automatically detect your existing license if it is compatible. You can also go to this compatibility here. And if this program is not correctly working on this version of Windows, you can simply select this Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. And that is it. Since WinRAR 7.23 includes security fixes, it's a good idea to update promptly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.